Hello and welcome to today's video. I have something very special I want to share with you, but two really quick things first. So number one, I want to thank you so much for helping us reach over 2,500 subscribers, which I can't even believe. I remember when we started with literally 4 subscribers. So this is crazy. I hope that you have and continue to find the content on this channel extremely valuable. And if you haven't already and you're watching this, be sure to subscribe to do so. And for those of you who've been subscribing and following my content for some time now, thank you so much. Number two, many of you know that over the past several months, Allie and I have been using Pinterest marketing and advertising heavily to drive more sales on Amazon and for all of our e-commerce products. And over the past few months, we've taken all of our own findings, research, and compiled 2 courses, one available now on Skillshare and Udemy, covering Pinterest marketing and advertising in depth for bloggers, marketers, and e-commerce sellers specifically. And the best part about this course is that for a limited time only, we are giving away 100% free lifetime access to the course on Udemy, and the coupon code for that you can find in the description section of this video, as well as the comment section. Now, if you're watching this after the fact, after the promotion has ended, it will no longer be given away for free, but we will have a discount, so we'll switch out the coupon code. So if you're watching this later, you can still get a steep discount to our Udemy course. Link again will be in the description section and the comment section of this video. And the reason we're doing this is because number one, we have information that we really want to share with the world that can really benefit you. Again, if you're a blogger, marketer, or e-commerce seller, and we want to show our gratitude to all of the followers and subscribers here on this channel. Again, thank you so much, and hopefully this shows you a little sign of our gratitude. And number two is that if you find the content valuable, if you take the course and it helps your business, all that we ask is that you consider taking 30 seconds to leave us an honest review of the course, as this is a brand new course, and your reviews will help other students in deciding which course to take, as well as helping us know what we are executing on well and what we could also improve upon for the course. So your honest feedback, again, not positive feedback, but your honest feedback would be much appreciated. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about exactly what we cover in the course, I've gone ahead and taken our course promo video and I've inserted it here in this video, which I'm going to stream it here in just a second. And of course, if you have any additional questions after watching the video, let us know in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, thank you so much for all your support. I'm beyond thrilled, beyond grateful, and hopefully this shows you at least a small sign of our appreciation for you. Let's go ahead and roll the clip. Hello and welcome to the Pinterest Marketing and Advertising Masterclass. I'm Sumner Hobart.
And I'm Allie Hobart, and we will be your instructors.
By the end of this course, you will have all of the tools, strategies, and templates that you need to drive massive amounts of traffic and sales every single month, even without any experience or even a website.
In this course, you're going to learn a complete step-by-step guide to unleashing a tidal wave of traffic and sales fast without any marketing experience or even a website. How to read the minds of your target audience to know exactly what products and content they desperately want, how to give it to them and profit. Pinterest SEO, how to build a machine that can reach thousands of your dream customers and get them to buy while you sleep. A step-by-step guide to creating stunning Pinterest graphics that get results in minutes for free and without any design experience. How to save hours of time and stress by quickly identifying and killing bad strategies with Pinterest Analytics. Pinterest Advertising Simplified, a complete step-by-step guide, as well as 2 simple and insanely profitable Pinterest advertising campaigns virtually any business can implement today, and so much more.
If you're a blogger, marketer, e-commerce seller who wants to learn the secrets to driving massive amounts of traffic and sales every single month, then this course is for you.
And the best part is, if you don't absolutely love this course, Udemy will refund your entire purchase within 30 days.
You have nothing to lose and so much to gain.
And we look forward to see you inside.